5 flying penguins. 5 little penguins sitting on the ice. The first one said, "Today feels very nice." The second one said, "Snow is in the air." The third one said, "But we don't care." The fourth one said, "Hey, look, here comes a seal." The fifth one said, "He wants us for a meal." Pitter-patter went penguin feet as they dove right in. Splash! 5 flying penguins started to swim, swim, swim. Flip-flap went penguin wings as they flew through the sea. The first one said, "Come on and follow me." The second one said, "We're moving very fast." The third one said, "We've lost that seal at last." The fourth one said, "It's time to get some air." The fifth one said, "Wait, look who's over there." "Honk!" barked the charging seal. He just wouldn't quit. That sneaky, silly seal said, "Penguins, tag! You're it!"